Hello there everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today I have made the San Antonio crispy dog. Yeah, these are delicious. They're hot dogs stuffed with cheese, wrapped in bacon, and then wrapped in a corn tortilla and deep fried. So let me show you just how to make them. So I've got my ingredients here on my counter. So let me show you just how to make these delicious crispy dogs. So the first thing you'll need to do is cut a slit down the entire length of the hot dog, but not going all the way through it. Then I have a block of cheddar cheese and I've just cut it into long strips and I'm filling the hot dog with the cheese. Then I'm going to wrap it in bacon and I have cut the bacon in half. And next I'm going to wrap it in a corn tortilla. And I'm using white corn, but you could use the yellow corn tortillas. It's up to you. And then take toothpicks to hold the tortilla together. And then drop in a skillet with some hot oil and fry for 2 to 3 minutes on each side or until the tortilla is nice and golden brown and crispy. Then I'm just placing it on a paper towel, removing the toothpicks, and there you have it. So now it is time to taste these crispy dogs, and I'm going to dip them in some honey chipotle ketchup. So first, let me show you how to make it. To a half of a cup of ketchup, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chipotle and adobo, the sauce. If you want it a little bit more spicy, you can add more of that adobo sauce. That's up to you. Then I have 1 tablespoon of honey, and then 1/4 of a teaspoon each of chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. And give it a good stir. All right, here goes. Mmm. Mmm. Amazing. Ugh, these are delicious. I hope that you give them a try. Thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless. And as always, I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.